Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve TikTok too many attempts, try again later. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok too many attempts, try again later, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of TikTok and you will click. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we will enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to your Wi-Fi, you can turn off your Wi-Fi, or you can just turn off your phone to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.